Today we're going to be talking about drop shipping strategy for 2024. This strategy is going to be relatively newer. This is one of the better strategies that is working on TikTok. I typically like to use Google Ads, but in this case, this strategy is going to be a lot deeper, but a lot simpler. As you guys can see, this strategy has paid off. It's only been a month, but we're still tweaking, we're still learning, and we are still earning. So we've all seen these types of videos before. Something like this profile, right? Lazy Pot Noodle. It's video on video on video of them cooking in a dorm room. What did he do? He picked a product that had usefulness, it had value, portable, an electric cooker, and he also had an angle to go with it. The idea is we have to combine every single thing that this individual tapped into with our own product. I'm going to show you how to find a better product and make better videos. I believe that this person is really doing is actually using a service to make the videos for it. Now that's exactly what I think you should be doing. Let me show you what it takes when you're looking for a good product like this one to start advertising and making videos and building a brand around. I have some secret profiles that I follow that have 30, 50, 100,000 followers. Not every single video goes viral, but the ones that do go viral, they end up being amazing products. Simply because not only their key performance indicators like the likes, the comments, the shares, the saves, off the charts, but they also are just such a viral-esque product. The problem is a lot of these people do unboxing videos with Amazon products. Amazon products genuinely have very generic products. We can't sell every generic product, but you have to find a product that has an intrinsic value to it. So there are aspects to the game and psychology that you have to tap into when you are picking and running and building a brand. It's very important because you're going to save so much time when you're testing products, building websites, paying for videos, making the videos yourself. Those things take time, they take money, they're annoying sometimes, but they're the building blocks of what is necessary to find success. We're going to find ways to pick the best products with key performance indicators, the ones that have a lot of likes, a lot of comments, and a lot of shares. Something like this. This is a very nice product that I really like. It's an iPad, an iPhone holder, but it's also a whiteboard, it's a desk organizer. This is something that you can go viral and find a use case for students when you find an angle, or for people who work from home. There's an angle behind it, there's a value to it. So this is a perfect example of what type of product we want to look for. It only had 200,000 views, but it still has a lot of likes, a lot of saves, a lot of shares. So what do I do next now that I want to build a product around this niche? Next, I'm going to go to viral Ecom ads. Now, how did a company like Lazy Pot Noodle make every single video they make go viral? Somebody is a professional. Before I had that $4,500 a month, I could not figure out how to go viral organically on TikTok. So I started using viral Ecom ads, video ads, image ads, animation ads, but most importantly, UGC ads, which is one of the most important things that you're going to tap into in 2024. It's obviously promoted by huge people in the space. You can also get a VIP membership to get so much value. You can get massive discounts. You can get 24-hour delivery and visions. Now you can buy multiple packages, which is very important because it's not just going to take one video to make all your money. If you want to scale a brand like Lazy Pot Noodle, you are going to need a lot of content. They give you 75% off all video ad packages and 30% off all UGC ad packages, which is huge because think about how many videos you're going to take to actually build your brand up from scratch into a brand that can make a lot of money. If you already have a product that's working on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Google, Pinterest, Snapchat, this is a perfect place to start getting more and more content that's diversified from what you've already been posting. I'm also offering a discount. You can find it in the bio, 15% off. It's going to be Big Ecom 15. That is my discount. Go ahead, click the link. It's going to cost you a lot to get your brand out there with just paid ads, but it gets a little deeper than that. You need to know the exact steps you're going to take for the 2024 dropshipping strategy. Here is what you are going to need when you're picking a product, which is the first thing you're going to be doing. What are the KPIs, key performance indicators? Does it have a lot of likes, shares, comments, and saves compared to how many views it got? Is there usefulness to the product? Is it useful enough for people to buy it over and over and over again every single day across any single one platform? It has to be something better than a fidget spinner. And then what is my angle and can it be repeated? Like the Lazy Pot Noodle, they advertise to dorm room goers or kids in their rooms, things like that. Next, should I pick a niche? If you're going to pick a niche like fidget spinners, are you really going to succeed? Can you find a new product in a fishing niche or the gym niche or the hunting niche? Is this a better version of an older product? Something like an automatic stirring protein shaker. You have to find an upgraded version of a certain product. And how do I judge the saturation? If you already see a lot of people selling it, have you seen that product a million times already? Has it been out for years? And two, does everybody that you know have one already? It's saturated. Everybody you know used to buy fidget spinners. It's over. And am I passionate and does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. I recommend going against your passion simply because sometimes you get too hung up on your passions that you do not want to give it up. However, if you are so so passionate about it, you will never give up. Let's say you are so passionate about fishing. You may never give up building your fishing brand simply because you love it so much that you end up figuring out a way to make it work. Are you gonna pick something completely against your passions just to make money, or you're super passionate about just so you can make sure that it works and you never quit? Now, for viral ecom ads, I want you guys to try the UGC creators, simply because this is the type of content that has been going so viral lately on TikTok. Get the VIP program. If you are serious about this, you gotta get ready to scale, you gotta get ready to test multiple videos for this product that you really commit to, and then make sure you have funds enough to test and scale. So when you go the organic route, let's say the organic route isn't completely going viral just yet for you when you first start making videos, then you could try paid ads and then use the discount code to splash prices. Buy the VIP package if you can. Like you saw, Lazy Pot Noodle can post a video every day, get 10 million views, and make thousands of dollars. So for you, you want to make sure that you get it done this exact way. The biggest problem that dropshippers face, it is going broke before they figure it out. So my strategy on YouTube is make videos that help dropshippers make money before they go broke. Last, the scaling aspect. Scaling is a very articulate process. You have to be very precise when you scale. Invest in more videos. Videos are evergreen, right? Lazy Pot Noodles have only uploaded those videos on TikTok and just constantly got views, likes, shares, sales. So it is the longest term investment. The longest term investment, organic videos. Now upload all the videos you purchase to every single platform. Don't be lazy about this. Any platform can make you sales. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, any single platform can make you sales. Scale with paid ads. Add upsells to increase your average order value. You saw from the beginning of my screen, my average order value is around $35. I'm going to first add quantity break apps to make sure people buy 2 or 3. That'll get my average order value to about $60, $55, $70, simply so that $30 AOV gets to $80, $90, $100, so I can make a lot more with every single sale. And then every paid ad I run after that is a lot more profitable. And then have a job, please. If you're just starting out, you don't have funds to test, if you don't have a cushion to run ads, you are going to get burnt. You're going to be very upset. You're going to think somebody scammed you and you're going to quit. To enter the business, it is very easy. All you need is $30, Shopify store, and a dream, and iPhones to record videos. The difference is, for me, I could not record the videos myself. I found a way to pay to get videos made for me. Some people go on Twitter and they pay $300 a video from professionals. Viral ecom ads gives you amazing videos and quality service. So check it out in my bio. The discount code is BigEcom15. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Till next time, guys. Professor X is out. Class is over. I'll catch you guys in the next video.